Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. If you're joining me for the first time, my name is Chef Fran. But first, give me a virtual hug by hitting the subscribe button. And in return, I will give you a new recipe every week. So do you love bagels? Well, I do too. But I'm doing my own version of the Calic Viral Sensation Stuffed Bagel. So this is my cinnamon roll bagel. As you know, cinnamon roll really smells good, so you definitely want to try to give this stuff, look at that, all that melted cream cheese in here, a try. So let's do it. So before we get into cutting our bagel, which you have to be super careful doing because you don't want the slits to go all the way down, you just kind of want to go halfway point, and you can use your spatula or a piping bag. I don't have a piping bag, but I do have a tip which I put in a plastic bag. So first things we want to do, is have my cream cheese here. I'm using whipped cream cheese. I'm gonna put a capful of vanilla extract, pure vanilla extract in here. Well, half a capful, because I don't want it to become liquefied. I am going to obviously pour my cinnamon here, and then some brown sugar. So it's about a tablespoon and a half of brown sugar. Now all the ingredients and measurements will be included in this recipe for you. So let me mix this up. So this is our whipped cream cheese along with our cinnamon and our brown sugar and a little bit of pure vanilla extract just mixed in. So now let's make our slit to our bagel. Remember, I said you don't want to cut it all the way down. So I still have a little bit right here that's not cut, but it's cut right here. Now you could do 6 or 8 slits. It's up to you. The key is to try to not cut it all the way down. That's the key. Now I just used a regular Ziploc bag and I just punched it a little hole and I had a tip. And once it gets like in your bag, you could just take the edge of your spatula just to kind of move it all the way down so it's centered in your bag. And then if you kind of like hold it how you would kind of hold your piping bag. Okay, and we have the slits here and we're going to start to stuff them. Think about it if like you're working with icing. And you can kind of clean it up with your spatula afterwards as well. Here's our vitamin content. Now, like I said, you can clean this up and kind of put it back in your piping bag. And so I have my butter here, and I am gonna add some delicious Cinnadust from Cinnamon Toast Crunch in here. So I just added some Cinnamon Toast Crunch Cinnadust in here, and I'm just gonna take my stuffed bagel and I'm going to put it face down and dip it all over. And I'm gonna add some more. So this is a treat now. Okay, so if you're like on a diet, don't come for me. This is just a treat. But I know everybody loves Cinnamon Toast Crunch or cinnamon roll. And then just dust some more on the top of this. And I'm going to put it in here and bake it. And here are a list of ingredients. Our air fryer, but on bake mode. 350, 5 minutes. Well, gee, look at our viral stuff our version of cinnamon roll of the stuffed viral bagel. So, she is our resident taste tester, and go ahead, try your bagel.
Well, let's see. I've never had a bagel like this before. That is really good. It tastes almost like a Cinnabon from the food courts in the mall from Auntie Anne's.
Really?
Yeah, but also like the cinnamon pretzels I saw there. So
yes,
those are a really good sweet treat.
I know what Gio's saying. I haven't tasted it yet, but I know what he's saying is probably like the pretzel from like Auntie Anne because of the texture of the bagel. But it smells divine in here, just to tell you. And look how that melted cream cheese is with all that butter and cinnamon. So let's give it a try. If you're a cinnamon lover or a Cinnabon lover or Auntie Anne, you know, pretzel cinnamon lover, this is for you. So Gio and I will see you in our next video. Remember, be good to yourself. God bless you. Love you.